So Lauren's over here playing solitaire because she wanted me to play freaking solitaire, and she's over here cheating. Hey guys! Today is March 5th. I think it's the 5th today. We're hanging out in downtown Appleton today, and I just wanted to vlog it. Parked at the Core downtown, which is cool. It's a Wells Church in the area. Hey, what the heck? I'll link it below. Am I right, Lauren? I played there not too long ago for my friend Jordan's wedding.
Oh, yeah, they have a good podcast.
Yeah.
Core.
Oh, I left my mask in the car.
I have two in my pocket.
Yeah, I don't want to wear yours. We went back and got the mask. Now we're just waiting to cross the street because downtown Appleton.
Oh, we didn't hit the button to cross.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Beautiful sights.
There were a bunch of cars. The dirty leprechaun. So this place right here is where little Adam took trumpet lessons with Ryan Smith. He was my first trumpet teacher. But this is the place. I remember my parents always hated parking in this parking lot because it's really stupid and hard to back out in. But this is the place, the Lawrence Academy of Music. This is where it all started, Lauren. I mean, kinda. That's where I started to actually like playing trumpet. So blame that, Lauren.
No,
All right.
I'm glad you liked playing the trumpet.
Let's give a little update. This is lame because everywhere is closed
Yeah.
or sucks or like
But
permanently
it's just like a
closed.
nice day, so we wanted to go on a walk.
Yeah, it's nice. So we're gonna go back downtown. Maybe we'll stop in one store.
We
Otherwise,
didn't even see the
we're just going
smoothie
home.
place that we wanted to get
Yeah.
a smoothie at.
Where we went there, Tropical Smoothie Cafe, in like a couple vlogs ago in Wisconsin Rapids. There's one in Appleton. So
Yeah, it's really good. Are we walking all over?
see ya. Lauren is so slow. Look at her.
I didn't know we were having a competition.
Fox Valley Symphony Orchestra office. I was part of the Youth Symphony Orchestra program when I was here.
I didn't know this place existed.
The City Center Plaza. Yeah, it's been dead since I was like little.
Yeah, they need to put like boutiques
like
or
nothing.
something in
I-
here because this
they-
is cute.
Tried it. People like you didn't come around, Lauren.
I wasn't here. I was in Oracle, Wisconsin.
We got smoothies. Oh,
Adam
yeah, I
got
can't.
acai berry booster or whatever.
And I got pomegranate punch or something like that. I think the acai one is the best.
All right, done with downtown Appleton. I wouldn't say it was a complete bust, but it was kind of like we didn't go into any stores other than the City
half
Plaza.
of them were closed though, so.
Half of them were either closed or closed like permanently because of COVID. And I suppose been hit pretty hard down here, but it's not wet. It's just the way.
It's called sun, Adam.
Okay, bye.
Some people like put makeup on to get that. What's it called?
To get that?
Highlighter. Just turn your head a little bit more. Like on the nose, you see that little bit right there? Highlight. Baby, it's free. Natural.
Anyways, we're going home now because that was lame. No, it wasn't.
It was a nice walk.
It was okay.
I liked it.
Lauren's making me play double solitaire. Ugh. Mom, why don't you play with Lauren?
I'm trying to find your supper because you're hungry.
I'm hungry because all Lauren got me was a smoothie.
And they have steak Alfredo.
Oh gosh.
Look at that.
This is gonna suck. I don't like solitaire. Solitaire's for lonely people. Why do we have to play double solitaire?
That's what my grandma and I played.
Sorry. So Lauren's over here playing solitaire because she wanted me to play freaking solitaire and she's over here cheating. You need a red 7, Lauren. Come on. This is why I don't play with you. You're cheating.
Adam,
Quit cheating.
I got confused because I've played so many different versions, like online or on my phone, and they're all like different.
Because watch, if I go 10, it goes
red.
Yeah,
No,
so we have a
there's, like,
cheater.
Other versions that are not
See if I go,
solitaire.
like,
Why do you think I don't want to play with you?
So it is black red. Well, Adam,
You're a little poo.
she's used to playing on the phone. You have to give her a break.
Yeah, because I play alone. Because you said this is a lonely game.
Well, it is.
I'll start again.
I'm not gonna. That was your
You
one
are.
chance. You
No,
lost
I
because
don't
you
think.
cheated and I won.
No, we're playing again.
Just got some Olive Garden. Thank you, Mama and Dada. Should be pretty good. They forgot one chicken ganache.
Yes. Ganache?
Maybe
Gnocchi.
we could put it a little in a bowl, like you guys could share it.
Olive Garden was painfully mediocre, is how I would say it. Would you agree, Mom and Dad?
I
Yeah,
would say
second,
it was
so.
not painfully
Yeah,
I would
agree with Mom.
mediocre.
It wasn't very good. But Lauren and I are gonna go play Portal 2.
Are we?
Yeah. Wow, I have not played this game in so long. Played on the old Xbox 360 today.
If you froze like that.
Hey guys, never ended the vlog yesterday, so I guess we're going today too.
We're on a walk.
We're going on a walk in my neighborhood. Going over, I gotta work for...
So we were going down there.
No, I gotta go, I was just gonna say, I gotta go do some stuff for my neighbor Mary right now. So, that's what I'm doing. Step 1, get the bird seed. And don't, if you think, oh my gosh, he's spilling. No, there's bird seed like all over the bottom of it. That's like, normally we scoop it up. Normally
What's
we
all
scoop
in
it up.
here?
I don't know. Wild bird food.
Oh, I thought you had to add like bugs in it.
Sometimes I add the mealworms. Yeah. We can for the vlog at least. Oh, a couple. I don't like sticking my hand in there. They're all dead, but they're mealworms, man. Get a little bit of that. Get a little in there too. For later. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Some of the birds are gonna get all. Birds love it. So, and I'm just doing as I'm told. I want to make that very clear because some of this might be a little crazy. So, basically all full. You gotta throw a little on the ground too. If you can't tell, there's already a bunch on the ground already. We also have a second feeding spot in the middle of that. So I go like that. It didn't get as far as I was hoping, but that's okay. All right, now we're like half full, so I'm gonna fill up again. This is the winter feeding spot, but now that it's not winter, it'll be okay. There we go.
That was a good show. Did you ever watch it?
No. That's my aunt and uncle's house. Excellent. I've been working on the bird bath a little bit. These are the peanuts from yesterday. Didn't look like they were much of a hit. I filled up this as well. Just look at this.
That's insane.
That's bonkers. I'll fill it up. It's basically already full, but I'll do it for the birds. And then a little around here. That's what we do. Finch feeder looks pretty good. Okay. And she lost the thing, so it's just a stick.
I love that. It's perfect size though.
Yeah. And then, oh, it's muddy, so watch out. Over here, we got another feeding spot for birds. So, there, and then there's one other one under this tree. Normally I'd put out some more peanuts, but there's already a bunch of peanuts. My aunt and uncle actually don't like the peanuts because the squirrels will get the peanuts and like bury it in their yard. So I only fill up the peanuts when like I know she's coming back.
Or they're like out.
Right. And I just fill it up here. Okay. So this is the other side. Under here. There we go. $100. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right. So now I'm gonna clean out the bird bath. Ice chunk, because it's still a little chilly. Because I didn't say this yet. Lauren, what day is it? March 6th?
I think so. 37 degrees
Dump it.
right now, so it's getting warmer.
So there's a little poop, so I'm gonna put some water in it, scrub it out, put some fresh water. So now we head over, put a little bit in. Just a little, you don't want too much. Take like this toilet scrubber, get in there. It's actually pretty clean because it's so cold and there's not as many birds out. So in the summer when I clean this, like changes colors, man. But it's pretty good right now.
So this is what it looks like when Adam cleans.
You gotta pay me for that. But if you want to look now, it's all icky water because I scrubbed it. And now we're gonna do this. Look at that.
Amazing.
Clean. It actually looks pretty good. I could drink that.
Okay, go.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, I almost fell.
So it's pretty solid right now, so we'll see what happens, but we're gonna do our best.
Oh, don't break it.
Hold in my eye. There we go. And the issue is the sun doesn't always, it's always shady here. Because it's actually a pretty nice day. So normally it would probably
Be melted.
melt. Like out front there was just a little bit. So I'm gonna get all the ice out that I can, put some water in it. It'll be fine. Lauren wanted a turn. Fun stuff.
Fun, fun, fun.
And done. It's pretty good. Done. Now we're going on our walk. There's my dad. He's getting the grill ready.
We saw you on our walk.
You did? We did. We waved at you. You didn't look.
Ooh.
Dad couldn't wait. He just wanted to play with the fire.
Do that? You want me to put it out?
Could you do that for me?
I could.
this stupid puzzle
Because
again.
Adam said, finish this freaking puzzle.
'Cause I
want to
wanna-
put the card table away.
Cause this has been up for a while now.
Sorry, you just aren't good at puzzles.
So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you like my hair. If you like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Helps me out a ton. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. You are already gonna comment below what your favorite bird is, but if there's something else, what should they comment? Just the birds this time around. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.